9 free do-it-yourself deck plans. Lowe's has a great free deck plan that includes a tools and materials list, tips on designing and laying out the deck, as well as step-by-step instructions that will take you through every step to build the deck, stairs, and railing. If you feel like getting more creative, Lowe's Deck Designer is a great way to create plans for your own custom deck. Here's a free plan for a floating deck from Rogue Engineer. Since it doesn't need to be attached to a house, you can build it literally anywhere you want. There's a required tool list, materials list, color photos, and written instructions. The Family Handyman has a free deck plan that will get you a floating oasis in just one weekend. A materials list, cutting list, construction drawings, step-by-step directions, color photos, and even a video will help you complete this project. Here's a plan for both a freestanding deck and an attached deck that measures 8 by 10. This free plan is all ready to go in one PDF file that includes building instructions, diagrams, and blueprints. How to Specialist has a free deck plan for a floating deck in the shape of an octagon as well as a wooden path leading to it from your house. Included in this plan are a materials list, tools list, written directions, diagrams, and tips. DIY Network has a completely free plan that will help you complete a DIY deck in just a few days. With this free plan, you'll find a tools list, materials list, color photos, step-by-step directions, and even a video. Here's a free deck plan that will help you create a spacious 10 by 18 feet backyard pool deck that your family can enjoy for years. The 10 easy-to-follow steps within this free deck plan will help you gather your tools and materials, frame the floor, set the posts, lay the decking, and build the guardrails. This is a great-looking deck that's perfect for entertaining, relaxing on the patio furniture, and grilling out. This free deck plan includes advice on choosing materials, instructions for preparing, laying out, and building the deck, as well as information on how to build the deck railings. The first section of this free deck plan includes a tool and supply list, planning and construction tips, as well as advice in designing and estimating your deck needs. In the second part of this free deck plan, you'll find detailed illustrations and blueprints along with step-by-step instructions to build your new deck. You'll also have the option of asking questions from the experts on the deck plan in the Handyman Wires forums. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.